Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the NASA News Network. Today we're talking about a groundbreaking mission that's taking us on an incredible journey through our solar system. NASA's Europa Clipper just flew past Mars, capturing stunning new images of the red planet, but these weren't just for show. The spacecraft used this opportunity to test a critical instrument and fine-tune its trajectory for a hidden mission far beyond Mars. As it continues its long journey toward Jupiter's icy moon Europa, the spacecraft recently completed a close pass of Mars, passing just 550 miles above the Martian surface. During this brief but critical maneuver, the spacecraft collected over 1,000 grayscale infrared images, capturing 1 frame per second over the course of 18 minutes. These images were transmitted back to Earth starting May 5 and later, color-coded to indicate temperature, red denoting warmer areas, blue representing cooler zones. Scientists used these images to test the Europa Thermal Imaging System, or E-THEMIS, an infrared camera that will be central to mapping the surface temperature of Europa. According to Phil Christensen of Arizona State University, the instrument's principal investigator, the goal was to capture imagery of a planetary body we know extraordinarily well and make sure the dataset looks exactly the way it should, based on 20 years of instruments documenting Mars. The team compared these new infrared images to long-standing thermal data from NASA's Mars Odyssey orbiter, which has recorded Mars in thermal infrared for more than 2 decades. This comparison is more than a routine check. E-THEMIS will eventually be used to scan Europa's frozen crust in search of thermal anomalies features that could point to recent activity or subsurface oceans closer to the surface than previously believed. If Europa is an active place, those fractures will be warmer than the surrounding ice where the ocean comes close to the surface. But this Mars flyby was more than just a test for one instrument. It also gave engineers the chance to test the spacecraft's radar system under real conditions for the first time. The radar uses antennas and wavelengths so large that they couldn't be fully tested before launch. Preliminary data from the test suggest all radar components operated as expected, though detailed analysis is still underway. This radar system is designed to study the thickness of Europa's icy crust and its interactions with the ocean beneath. By combining radar data with thermal imagery, scientists aim to build a comprehensive understanding of the moon's geology and assess its potential habitability. But what does this mean for the mission ahead? Launched on October 14, 2024, from Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, Europa Clipper is now on a 1.8 billion-mile trajectory to Jupiter. Mars provided the first of 2 gravitational assists, with a second planned from Earth in 2026 to further accelerate the probe toward its final destination. Once it reaches Jupiter in 2030, Europa Clipper will spend a year entering orbit around the planet before beginning a series of 49 close flybys of Europa. The mission will investigate the moon's composition, surface geology, and subsurface ocean, exploring whether conditions might exist for life beneath the icy crust. So what's next for this incredible spacecraft? With its Mars flyby complete and initial data returning successfully, Europa Clipper moves one step closer to revealing what lies beneath Europa's frozen shell. Join us next time on the NASA News Network as we explore more of the wonders waiting to be discovered in our solar system.